This video will give you a quick overview on how to program your HOBO temperature logger for use with your air and water Schoolyard urban heat studies deployment devices. You will need your Bluetooth enabled mobile device with the HOBO Mobile App and your logger. Onset HOBO loggers are programmed and utilized from a HOBO mobile application, which is downloaded from the Onset website for free. It's available for both Android and Apple products. My mobile device is a Apple product, so this demonstration will of course reflect the Apple products. So the HOBO mobile app, you want to open that up. And the first thing you want to do is check the settings to see if the application will be collecting temperatures in scientific units. So down at the bottom, there's a menu. You select the settings. And the third item there is a toggle switch where you would have the white toggle on scientific units. And then while you're there, you might as well look down one section to the time zone. I have my toggle on to automatically update for the time zone where I am on the East Coast, so it will be set for New York, so have yours set as needed. And those are really the only two settings you need to set up before we program our device. So let's go back to devices. Down below at the menu in the bottom left, you select devices. Now to connect the logger to your device, you're going to squeeze the button in the center of the logger to activate it. Now our temperature logger has been activated and is communicating by Bluetooth to our device, and in range is the school air logger with the serial number. You can change that if you'd like. So in order to make the configurations, we're going to select that logger. It's connecting, and here's your menu in order to make any of the customized configurations that you wish. We'll select configure. That's just telling me that I had some data on there from playing around with it. So you can change the name if you'd like. I highly recommend that you keep the serial number in the name of the device. The serial number is on the side of the logger if you want to confirm that. You can put the logger in a group. We'll put this with Frederick County reference, and location is automatically provided by your cell phone number or your cell phone device. Deployment number is how many times you've activated it. Going down further in the menus, logging interval. So you have a dial here to change that. We'd like to keep that at 15 minutes for this project. And you can start logging. You have a couple options. You can start it right away. You can start on the next logging interval or when you push the button. And this one is kind of my preference, where you can program it to start at a future time. So if you're not going to put your logger out right away, you want to wait till your class goes out, you can change the time of day for that logger to start in the future. Whatever works best for you. That way you can put it out there and make sure it gets acclimated before it starts. But it's really up to you whenever you'd like it to start. So you go press done to go back. For stopping, it really doesn't require a stop date for this program because you're going to go out and check it periodically. So I have mine set on never, and it will stop when the memory is full, and it'd be many years before that occurs. But we are going to read out the data throughout the program, so I'm not too worried about that. So we press done. The other items below here, you do not have to really mess with. You would probably like to have the logging mode at normal at the bottom, and show LED and Bluetooth always on. Those are turned off to help save battery life. So really all you need to check those are the names, the group, and your logging setup with the interval and the start time. Then all you have to do is press start. Information will be transferred to the logger. Successfully configured. Press OK. And that's it. You can take your logger and install it in your deployment device to get it out in your schoolyard. Each one of these loggers can be deployed in either a water housing, zip tied inside a pipe for protection for your stream temperatures, or in an air radiation shield for air temperature at your schoolyard. Good luck!